Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix player lock, GK movement, bouncing balls and heavy touch issue in FC 26. First of all, if your player lock or goalkeeper movement isn't working or the ball keeps bouncing away when you receive it, that's actually a control bug right now. Here's how you can fix it. Go to main menu, then head into settings and open customize controls. Now the problem happens because most players are using custom controls. There's almost 100% chance yours are set that way too. To fix this, switch your preset from custom to classic, and just right here you can just reconfigure your keys like this. Okay, just configure all of your keys the way you want them to set, and once you're done with reconfiguration you can just get back from this, and just right here you can just override these settings on an empty slot, as well as you can go for temporary configuration. I'll go with empty. And yeah guys, that's it. Your player log and goalkeeper control should now be working properly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.